Hello, welcome to OET Prep Talks, and today I'm going to discuss with you 3 reasons why you should start with the matching activity in OET Reading Part A. A lot of people often tell me that they have been told or they've come across the idea that it's a good strategy to start reading Part A from, let's say, question 8, which is the set of questions after matching. Now, Part A has 3 types of questions: matching, gap fill, and short answer questions. Why should you be doing matching first? Firstly, when you complete a matching task, it will give you an overview of the 4 texts. You are going to use the technique of skimming in order to complete the task quickly. Since Part A has to be completed very quickly, all you have is 15 minutes. You need to complete this very, very quickly. And skimming is quick reading. You don't read the entire text, you quickly read for specific information. So your eyes will move through the text very quickly. And in the OET's context, the 4 Part A texts will give you a lot of visual clues. You have headings, bullets, tables, lists, underlined or highlighted text, etc., which are rather the more important words or items which you have to actually read for skimming. So you will be able to quickly identify from which of the 4 texts, A, B, C, D, these are from. And if there is a text without a heading, then if the visual clues do not lead you to an answer, then it could be from the text without a heading or any other visual clue. Secondly, matching questions are designed to be the easier questions. Part A questions are progressively difficult, which means the first questions would be easier and the level of difficulty increases as you move through the rest of the questions. Towards the end of the text, you may have a bit more difficult questions. So complete the easier task first and then move to the more difficult ones. Thirdly, it's all about managing your time. When you're able to quickly find the answer for, let's say, 7 or so questions, which might be the number of questions in the matching part, in a few minutes you have already completed a sizable portion of the entire Part A section, which gives you the confidence to complete the rest of the questions, the gap filling and the short answer questions quickly. So remember, Part A reading has to be done in the order in which the test is designed. You have to complete the matching task first, then move on to the rest of the questions. Learn to skim quickly. You are not reading all the text. All you have to read or quickly pan through is highlighted content or important words or specific information you are searching for. So enjoy your reading, get great scores in the reading part. And IRS Group, as an expert in OET, is willing to help you in your test preparation. If you're interested in attending our classes, whether it's regular or virtual, please let us know. And I have a bonus for you. In the description, you have a download link for a free reading Part A, which you can use to practice the skimming skill which I've discussed today and also the rest of the reading Part A. So have a great time. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much.